Hello students of class 7, welcome to our today's online class. Our today's topic is word problems from exercise 2.1. In the previous class we already learned about proportion and continued proportion also, and also successive ratio, and how to convert two ratios into successive ratios. And we already learned about how to find the continued proportion and the fourth proportional with the using of um, rule of 3. Today we will see what is proportional division, and also we will solve some applications of proportional divisions. That means some word problems we will solve. Alright, let's begin. First, you can take your textbook and open page number 25. In the middle of your page number 24, you can find an example here. Suppose 500 is to be distributed with the ratio 3:2. Then how can we distribute them? Actually, there are two quantities, antecedent and subsequent. If we find the sum of antecedent and subsequent, that means 3 plus 2, we'll get 5. Then the first portion will be the first antecedent divided by total parts of taka 500. That means total money. That means the first proportion is 3 and the total subsequent and antecedent summation is 5, and we will multiply this amount with the total amount of money which will be distributed. Then if we calculate, 5 times 100 is 500, and then 100 times 3 will be 300. So the first portion will be 300, and if we just subtract the second portion, first portion from the total money, we will get the second portion. Or we can do the similar kind of problem. That means 2 divided by 5. 2 is the subsequent divided by total, and then times total money, which is 500. If we calculate again, we will get 200. So if 500 taka is distributed into 3:2 amount, then we will we can say that we will distribute like 300 taka and 200 taka, and total money will be 500 taka. Okay, let's go for an example. Example number 7. In the bottom part of your page, this page, you will get example number 7. 20-meter cloth is to be divided in the ratio of 5:3:2 among 3 siblings, Amit, Shumit and Choiti. What is the quantity of cloth for each? So how can we solve that? If you see the book carefully, at first we will write the quantity of cloth and then write given ratio, and also sum of the numbers of the ratio. That means 5 plus 3 plus 2, that is 10. Now Amit's part, which is already given, the first child name is Amit, so we write Amit's part will be the first. So 5 divided by 10, part of 20 meter. That means if we calculate 5 by 10 times 20, 0 and 0 will be cancelled, 5 to the 10. So the first portion will be 10 meter, and similarly like this, the second portion will be 6 meter, and the third portion will be 4 meter. So like this you can solve different types of problem which is called proportional division. Next, you can see there is a box like activity, and I hope you can solve the question number 1 and 2 is the proportional division as like example number 7, and also question number 3 like as this question. So this 3 will be your homework. I hope if you practice you can solve this problem in your own. Alright, let's go page number 27. In your previous class your homework was like 1, 2, 3 and 4. I hope you have done this homework, and some of you have already sent this homework to me over the social media. And now it's time to move on by starting from question number 5. At first we read the question from page number 27. Question number 5. Question number 5 asks, if the price of 15 kg is taka 600, If the price of 15 kg rice is taka 600, what is the price of 25 kg rice? Yes, you can think of unitary method, but in this chapter we will not do unitary method because this is a proportional type of math, and we will do proportional division or fourth quantity with the using of by the help of the rule of 3. So how can we solve this one? Let's start 5 number solution. At first we can write let the price of 25 kg rice is p taka. Alright, just we say this is p taka. So the ratio becomes the proportion. The proportion becomes like 15 kg is to 25 kg is equal to 600 taka is to p taka. The proportion becomes like this. We just write the 2 kg unit into left side with the help of ratio, and then we write the two prices in the right side of the equation. Now we solve it for p. As we can know that ratio is just a fraction, so 15 by 25 will be 600 divided by p. Or if we do cross multiplication here, p times 15, that means p will be multiplied with 15 is equal to 600 will be multiplied with 25. Or in the next line we can just say that we have to find the value of p, so we write p is equal to 600 times 25 divided by 15. You know that if in the left side there is a multiply, then in the right side it will become division. So if we divide by 5, it will be 3 and it will be 5 here, and 3 2s are 6, that means 200, and the price will be 5 times 200 is 1000. So our answer becomes, therefore our answer becomes the price of the price of 25 kg rice is taka 1000. Alright, which completes our answer. I hope you understand this maths very clearly, and you can do number 6 by your own, because number 5 and number 6 exactly same, so 6 will be your homework. Alright, now we move on to our next question, question number 7. At first we read the question. Ages of 3 sons of Mr. Kobir are 5 years, 7 years and 9 years respectively. He gave 4200 taka in the ratio of their ages. So ages already given, and the ratio, in this ratio he will distribute 4200 taka among them. How much will each of them get? Okay, so let's start question number 7 here. Seven number solution. At first we can write the ratio of the ages of 3 sons. The ratio of the ages of 3 sons, 5:7:9. Now we have to find the sum of the ratios. Therefore, the sum of terms of ratios is equal to 5 plus 7 plus 9. We have to add all these items. 5 plus 7 will be 12, and 12 plus 9 will be 21. So the sum of these terms is 21. Now all we can do, amount of the first, therefore amount of the first son is equal to first son's ratio is 5, so 5 divided by 21 part of 4200 taka. So if we calculate here, 5 by 21 times 4200, so 21 2s are 42, so the amount will be 1000 taka. This is the amount of for first son. Therefore amount of the second son, the amount of the second son will be 7 divided by 21 times 4200 taka, and it will be 21 2s are 42, and it will be 1400 taka. This is the amount for second son. Now it is time to find the amount. Finally, again, amount of the third son, it will be 9 divided by 21 plus times 4200 taka. If 21 2s are 4200, then 2 9s are 1800 taka is the amount for third son. Now if you add this 1800 taka, this 1400 taka, and this 1000 taka, you can see that the total amount of money is 4200, which means our math is absolutely okay, which completes our answer. Now in this way, if you understand this question number 7 clearly, you can do question number 8 exactly similar like question number 7. Then also question number 14 and 15, which are exactly similar to number 7. I hope you can practice, or you can do it by your own. Now we see another problem number 10. Let's say we solve question number 10 here. Before doing this problem, you should know that if we understand the words written in this question, we can solve far better. At first we read the question. Shobuj, Dalim and Lincoln are 3 brothers. Their father has divided taka 6,300 among them. The Shobuj gets 3 by 5 parts of Dalim. Here Shobuj gets 3 by 5 parts of Dalim, and Dalim gets double of Lincoln. So how can we write these sentences? Here the ratio of amount of money of Shobuj and Dalim is 3:5. 3:5. Why is that? Because here the fraction given as 3 by 5, and we know that fraction is the ratio, so we like here the two names is Shobuj and Dalim, so Shobuj is to Dalim is 3:5. Again, Dalim gets double of Lincoln. Dalim gets double of Lincolns. Now if we write like this, this amount, if we double this, it will be 6:10. Therefore Dalim is to Lincoln will be 2:1. So if we multiply this, Dalim's amount is 6, so we have to multiply this by 3. So if we multiply this by 5, we'll get 10:5. here Dalim's amount is 10, so if we want to make this 10, we will multiply this 2 by 5 and also 1 by 5, so we get 10 is to 5. Now if we combine this amount in a single line, we will get, therefore the ratio of them will be 6 is to 10 is to 5. If we combine 6 and 10 and 10 and 5, we'll get 6 is to 10 is to 5, which is successive ratio. Now if now I think you can find this amount, because this is as like as the previous problem, that means question number 7. How it is possible? Then therefore সবুজ amount is equal to, like, the total amount is here 21 and সবুজ amount is 6 times 6300 টাকা, because where we get 21, 6 plus 10 plus 5, if we add this 3 amount we will get 21. Now 21 3s are 63, so 300, and 300 times 6 is 1800, which is the amount of সবুজ money. Like this we can find Dalim's amount. Now Dalim's amount is equal to 10 divided by 21 times 6300 taka, which is 21 times 3 is 63, so answer will be 3000. Now again, finally, if we find Lincoln's amount will be 5 by 21 times 6300 taka, so 6, here will be 300 also, and 5 3s are 1500 taka. So this is the three amount of three brothers. If you add all the amounts of three brothers, you will get total 6300. That means 1800 plus 3000 plus 1500, you will get total 6300 taka. So this is our answer for this question number 10. In this way, I hope you can also solve question number 11. Now it's time to give you some homework. So HW for today's class. From page number 27, you will solve question number 6 and 8, and from page number 28 you will solve (11), (13), 14 and 15. Alright, this total there will be 6 HW for you. If you see the video again and again, you can solve all these problems, and if you take the help of examples, you also can solve these maths. These are almost similar kind of maths. In the next class we will solve the rest of the problems, and we will try to solve some creative questions also. And until then, it is goodbye from Hussain Mohammad Khan sir. See you in the next class.